An FIR has been filed against Karnataka BJP MLA Basant Gowda Patil Yatnal at Bengaluru's High Grounds police station after Congress leader S. Manohar lodged a complaint over Yatnal's remarks about Rahul Gandhi. Yatnal questioned Rahul Gandhi's caste and lineage, asking if he is Muslim, Christian or Hindu, and called for an investigation into his ancestry. Congress leader Manohar stated in his complaint that speaking to the media, MLA Yatnal had asked which caste Rahul Gandhi belongs to. Was he born to a Muslim or a Christian or a Hindu Brahmin? His father and mother are different. His mother is from Italy and his father is a Mughal. Manohar further stated that MLA Yatnal had abused Rahul Gandhi and his family origins by making mentions of Hindu, Islam and Christian religions. The police registered the case under several sections with the Congress demanding legal action against Yatnal for his derogatory comments.